Welcome to this guided tutorial on setting up your revenue and cost projections. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear and accurate financial forecast. Let's get started. As you can see, there are three vertical tabs. These represent the three revenue segments. The names of the revenue segments are preset, but if you'd like to change them, you can do so in the Revenue Segments tab. Next, Revenue Projections. Here you can input your projections for the next 5 years. The system will automatically calculate the revenue growth for you. If you prefer uploading your data through an Excel template, simply click on Download Template, copy-paste your data into it, and then use the Import feature. The data will be filled in automatically. Now let's move on to direct costs. These are expenses that can be directly traced to producing a specific product or service. After filling in direct costs, we continue to indirect costs. These are expenses that support the business but cannot be directly traced to a specific product or service. This includes administrative costs, sales, and marketing expenses. At the end of the page, you'll find a summary section, which will help you review all the data you've entered. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your revenue and cost projections. Do this for all verticals. This data will help you make informed financial decisions and plan for growth.